Yeah, I've been directed 3 different phone or 2 actually.
Peace, family. We're back here for another great episode of Numinous Steps, brought to you by Lingo Inc. Check it out, lingoincboutique.com, where all the zodiac signs and affirmation lines. This is actually the On Guard line right here. As you can see, it's pretty dope. We have different products and all that type of stuff, but we outside. Today we're at Cathedral Rock, and we're rocking it out, you know. We got the divine, feminine, masculine out here. Flowing, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna take you every step of the way. A lot.
I feel wonderful. I'm at my highest peak.
Peace, family. So we just got to a sign here. We're on the trail, and we're trying to head to Cathedral Rock.
Is there a Vortex rock that way?
If you want to go to the Bell Rock Pathway?
No.
Well, yeah, Bell Rock Pathway takes you to Bell Rock.
Move up Cathedral Rock. That's that way?
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Have a good day.
We do. We'll go with you.
No, they...
You can see this is the whole tribe.
Yeah, no, we just
tribe
That conversations, my
on this trail that we're heading to Cathedral Rock.
See, we was parked at the Cathedral Trail here. It's like 6 minutes up the road. I think we walking through it.
So we're gonna continue on this trail to Cathedral Rock. It's a nice hike, which I love. Last time we was out here, we parked closer, but we're gonna take this nice trail in nature. It'll be great. Take you every step of the way.
You know what I mean?
Of course.
So we can manifest to the fullest, like so it can happen as it, you know?
Right.
As we see it in our mind's eye.
Right. Exactly. Yeah, Capricorns. Yeah, y'all stay really low key. Peace, family. And we're climbing up mountains here. Nico!
Where we go? Which direction? That way?
See, Nico's up there. We're trying to get up there. We're not trying. We're going up there. See, they're down there. Me and Nico want to reach new heights. You know what I mean? This Aries energy. My son is in Aries. What the character says. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe, multiverse.
I am life.
Yes.
Ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby. When you need me, call me, no matter where you are, no matter how far. Don't worry, baby.
I like to go up. See where Nico's at right now? He's standing on top of the rock, on the rock. And this place is vast, it's beautiful, you know? Peace to the divine, nature, well here.
My aim is to actually make it up there.
Let's go,
I
Nico.
believe I can go that
Challenge accepted. My inner child's coming out.
You see it?
What up, goddess? I like how you made it up here. You want to reach new heights. I mean, that's,
said that.
yeah.
He was like, I need my own path. I said, yeah.
Ooh, look at these babies.
Accountability. Responsibility.
Gratefulness, all of the above. I mean, the journey is real. There's much more lengths in this paradigm that we have to reach for each and every single one of us and as a collective. But this is magnificent.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm soaking into it. I'm soaking in the rocks, into this tree, to the ground, to the bushes, to nature, to the wind, to the sky. Wow. This is abundance, people. Abundance. Abundance in nature. It's abundance. All of it's abundance. All of us are abundance. We add on to this. We add on to this. You know, some people went on their own paths.
It's good to see
You know?
Hi,
Deja.
You look beautiful.
What up, Deja? You look like somebody. Are y'all sisters?
Like, we enjoyed ourselves. We ended up on
Deja.
First of all, Deja.
What up, Deja?
I was literally like walking for 20 minutes alone. We just finished smoking weed. That ride amazing.
That's a good.
Are y'all sisters?
No, no, for real, for
I
real.
believe Lucia is in a hurry. Peace, guys.
Are y'all
If we
sisters?
could get in the car and
Okay, so what do we get in the back?
you three can get in the back.
Are y'all sisters?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
I love you. Here?
I love you too.
Nico.
That's what she
So
said.
Nico's adding on to this trip. Hold on.
That's my nug. That's my nug.
Naga
right
spirit. Can you hear it? We got Deja in the joint. I feel like I'm in the Oracle house.
Y'all home my rod and my staff.
Yeah. The goddess here.
I did.
That's dope. Take that home.
We were talking about the
Yes.
serpentine.
Yo, Rob is right there.
Huh?
Look at.
Does he have a ride?
The ancestors done some of everybody.
I just told you we can't off fit.
Yo, Lady Holly.
Don't you leave me. Where y'all going?
No cap.
Easy now. What's your name?
Made
You
on
just have to
earth
tell your mother
by
you said
humans.
That man's an angel. I would have been sleeping in the woods.
Real story. Yo, there's real stories going on out here, you heard?
Yeah.
And he tootled away. He literally just skipped away.
Take me. I'm ready to
It's an angel.
He went on.
Yeah, he tootled
Yo, he went on a journey.
He's a fairy. He's literally just supposed to.
Yo, Rob just came on a pilgrimage journey by himself.
Yeah, thank you for taking that. You're the goat.
Yo, he ended up somewhere. He just kept walking. It's getting interesting, people. We outside. Peace, family. We're outside here, Sedona, Arizona. We're here at Clark's Market, and we got the tribe out here. We got fellow guitarists here. And we got a nice crowd here, as you can see. Hey! This beautiful soul here, she's enjoying the music here, and she's reminiscent of the times when there's another great creative soul here. Is where did he used to play at?
Well, maybe he still does. He's at the
He makes his rounds, huh?
at the coffee shop.
That's great, and he's just sharing all this love to people.
Yeah, where you coming?
We're here for a retreat.
Nice.
It's called Protect Your Heart. Your heart, you see the heart chakra? The heart chakra is glowing. And these are all the beautiful soul tribe members here to get the energy of Sedona, the Vortex energy.
You want to make me cry?
Oh man, it's real. It's real.
It is.
Yes, it's real like that. So we're out here, and our chakras, we're already here. We're aligned with each other.
Yeah, we're aligned with all these people.
Oh, it's a collective.
Yes.
It's a collective,
Yeah.
and it starts with. You know, it's so beautiful. It's so.
I'm Grace.
Oh, grace with grace. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, come on now. There's a lot of energy going on here. How long you been in Sedona?
7 years.
7 years.
Live here. I come
But you come here because
Yeah.
the vortex. What can you say about the vortex here in this city?
I think the whole Sedona
It's
and
a
the whole
vortex,
area
right?
is a vortex. Yeah.
That's what I felt when I came here and people told me about that. So I was like, wow, this.
Solomon, I have no cash.
No problem.
I'm here all the time. I like that you have a little entourage today. Better walk them notes. Walk that tail.
So where could they find you at, Solomon? Are you on any social medias at all? Because the people I know, they're gonna want to know
Really?
where they're gonna.
Yeah, man. You know what? I'm on Facebook, you know.
On Facebook. So where on Facebook could you? Let's show the card.
That's
So if you're looking for talented, you heard it yourself, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
You could contact him on Facebook. I'm not sure which.
Solomon Mars.
Just Solomon Morris on Facebook. Make sure
Yeah.
you add him as a friend. If you need him for an event or anything like that, make sure you show him a lot of love. He's truly grateful. Thank you for your art and your creative expression. It's truly like it's a blessing. It's a blessing.
Well, you
It
know,
comes it's natural to you.
well, I have to tell you, I'm so glad to see you all.
Oh yeah,
I'm so glad to see you all. So you know.
definitely. We're happy.
How long you guys staying?
I was staying for like a week. I'm staying for a week. Yeah.
And where did you get here?
I got here yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did everybody?
Shopping.
Yes.
All the energy here, all the energy. Great. Two artists here. And where you from, sir? You from?
I'm from Bronx, New York.
The Bronx, the BX. The whole, we got people here from the BX, Brooklyn, all the boroughs are here.
And Queens.
And Queens in the building. How long you been doing this? You're creative.
You know what? I moved here about 6 years ago. So, you know, but I've been playing.
It's turning up, man. You brought this energy here. You see what I'm saying? Oh, he's turning up too. He's getting in the mix. Explain to the people, what is this?
Okay, this is called Arizona Desert Rain. It's a plant that grows here, a very sacred old plant that the natives have been using for thousands of years. And it's called chaparral or creosote. And I gather it about 30 miles down the road. It grows in my backyard. And I gather it and infuse it with love and olive oil, grapeseed oil, and coconut oil, and beeswax, and everything's all organic, and it's good for aches and pains.
Aches and pains, natural products.
Bug bites, bee stings, and dry skin. But
dry
as
skin.
I tell everybody, nobody in Arizona's got dry skin, right? And if you smell it, it smells like.
Let me smell it. Let me smell it.
It smells like desert rain.
Oh, it smells like the desert for real. I could soak in it. I could soak in it. So where could they find you at if they want to purchase this? Desert Arizona DesertRain.com.
And I want to gift this to
Oh,
you.
that's so we're gonna support her, okay? Bee stings the natural way, no chemicals, straight from a plant. This is Brooklyn. We had the Bronx, now we got Brooklyn, okay? Okay, Ali, do it to them, Ali. Do it to them. Okay.
AC from BK. No, we did.
Okay. So you see Ali, he's with the work. This is Brooklyn to Bronx. Oh, hold on. We got the goddess feminist here too. The goddess feminist is about to get on the guitar itself.
Yeah.
What do we have?
We're staying. You know, I try to relax people, you know?
Yeah.
Because there's so much. And I use this looper, it helps to add a little background.
Oh, yeah. He's like playing. You're playing some stuff very comfortable with it. I have to get my guitar.
Perfection is the road, and he creates the story as he goes. The key is purity, so unlike all these love. Yeah, come on, buddy. That's a love line. Hey, to unfold the greatness that's within you. Yeah.
lyrics. Gotta feel the guitar and just hear it, see it. When you know you're understanding yourself, there's no worry. Can't help no one else unless you pour into your own cup and get on up. Like James Brown, yeah, he came to bring the funk and the sound, yeah, the sound of soul. You already know you won when you're feeling whole with the Most High Creator. You know He's with us and He ain't gonna fake nothing. Yeah, that is something, that is oneness. You can find my family where the one is. And love is always only conquering. Gotta keep on going like a singer, or a rhyme savior, or a player on the court. Everyone supports one another, each one teach one, and the sun shines on everyone. Yeah, we all outside just having fun, and the work of art ain't done till you're feeling done. Yeah.
I don't know if you all remember this song.
My soul does.
Do the Carlton. Do the Carlton. One time. Two times.
Yeah. One time. Two times.
Killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his word, killing me softly.
Hey, 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 hey. Either they love you or they hate you, or they gon' judge you. It is what it is. 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 Being your own, living your truth. All these egos and pride got something to prove. I got my diva inside, cooped in a coop. Keep your feelings inside. I do what I do, I move how I move, choose what I choose. Third eye's active in motion, magnificent views. There's too many options, so much to choose. What is for me is just not what's for you. Vice versa, let it all go, most of it's not worth it. Just stay focused on your goals and life purpose. Be a student of this life and never stop learning. Never stop learning. Nah, there's some shit you just gotta accept. Your reality is created by the thoughts in your head. You. Focus. My mama
told me stay focused.
My girl told me stay focused.
My homie told me stay focused. Fuck what them haters say. Keep stacking that paper and kick them doors wide open.
Doors wide open.